What do you want?
Good times. Not a bad first stop to the trip. It's bloody amazing, this dam. I didn't realise how big it was. Like, it looks big on maps and I've seen photos and that, but seeing it in person, seeing the size of it, it's unreal. Even like, I don't know, every angle you drive around this dam, everything like that, every angle is just, yeah, it's just amazing. It's so good, such a nice spot. So stoked that it's only our first stop and we're already seeing views like this, so definitely pumped for this trip. Just come to this picnic area in the state forest, have some lunch, and pretty cool little spot here. We've got a few of these like little mood, energy, focus things. It says to lay down here, look up and relax. So, let's have a look. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Don't know about these trees over here swaying in the wind. Well, imagine one of these branches coming down just spearing you. Far out, that'll hurt. But yeah, not a bad spot. Might have a little nap here after lunch, in a bit of a food coma while the boys are over there talking rubbish. Ah, what a spot.
It's you, man.
Whoa! Look at this guy, wants to be cameraman for one trip. Making poor Darcy reverse up and pick him up. Princess, come on mate, that's what happens when you sell your 4B. Oh. It's always a showstopper on the trips. Not getting through this one.
Come on, move it.
Turn around and go. How random's this? We just drove through this bog hole. And I spotted someone's like full carved out this wizard in the tree. It's bloody amazing. Look at that. We didn't quite get to where we wanted to go going through the state forest. We just heaps of trees down, and to be honest our map sent us on a bit of a wild goose chase, but Yeah, we just ended up at Falls, so we're going to check this waterfall out. Seems pretty good. It's only, from where we parked, it's only about a 400-meter walk, so yeah, nice and short. But yeah, we're going to check it out. Hopefully we can go for a swim here, it'll be good. It's been a bit of a pretty big day driving from home down to here, and then just been zigzagging through that state forest for a couple of hours. So yeah, no, it's all right. We're here now, be good, go for a swim and enjoy.
What are you serving?
What do you want?
Good times.
Got any beads? Out the Dong hut. It's pretty cool to see it's still standing. It's built in 1925. But look at that. Just a couple of rocks. Bit of timber, should be right. Built better than half the new places these days. But nah, it's amazing it's still standing. But yeah, so cool.
Wanna be just like you.
Well guys, that's a wrap for part one of our two-part series of the Snowy Mountains trip. Hope you guys enjoyed part one. As part two, we keep touring along the Snowy Mountains, enjoying some amazing spots. So don't forget to share, like, subscribe so don't miss out on part two. Cheers, legends.